Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is embellish. It is pronounced Embellish and is spelt E-M-B-E-L-L-I-S-H. That's double L. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Embellish is a verb that means to make something more interesting or attractive by adding extra details, especially ones that are not true. It can also mean to decorate something. For example, you could say, she's embellished her story about the fishing trip, adding details about a giant fish that got away. Or, the artist embellished the vase with intricate patterns. The word embellish comes from the French word embellir, which means to make beautiful. In the classic tale of the boy who cried wolf, the boy embellishes his story about a wolf attacking the sheep, adding exciting details to make them more interesting. However, his lies ultimately lead to trouble when a real wolf appears and no one believes him. Synonyms for embellish include decorate, adorn, enhance, and exaggerate. Antonyms for embellish include simplify, understate, and downplay. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, embellish. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.